friends, today's topic is a ballast. So, what is the ballast and what is the function of ballast? So, basically, ballast is a layer of a broken stones, gravel, muram, or any other granule materials placed and packed below the around the sleepers of distributing the load from the sleepers to the formation and to the sub ballast and to the subgrade. So the generally the broken stones and gravels or muram size is varying from 20 to 60 size, and the ballast is given side slope 1.5 to 5 gem 1, and the ballast material consists granite, trap, quartzite, limestone, and other types of gravel and stones, etc. So what is the function of the ballast? So the ballast is provide the level and hard bait for the sleeper, and when the transfer the load from the sleeper to the subgrade, and then it distributes it uniformly over the large area to the formation, and it hold the sleepers in position during the passage of trains and provide effective drainage to the track and impart some degree to a degree of elasticity to the track, provide the necessary resistance to the track for longitudinal and the lateral stability, and provides an effective means of maintaining the level and alignment of the track. Okay, so these are the function of the ballast. And now requirement of a good ballast. So requirement of a good ballast is it should be hard, so that it does not get crushed under the moving load, and it should offer resistant to abrasion and weathering, and it should be non-porous and should not absorb water. It should allow for the good drainage of water. It should not produce any chemical action with rail and metal sleepers, and the size of stone ballast should be 50 for wooden sleepers, 40 for metal sleepers, and 25 for turnouts and crossovers. So these are the criteria for the ballast, stone ballast for different types of using sleepers. Okay, so it should be generally cubical with a sharp edge, and ballast material should be easily workable by means of the implement in use, and it should be cheap and economical also. Okay, so these are the good requirement of the ballasts, and next we'll talk about the types of ballad. There are different types of ballast in India. So first is a broken stone ballast, gravel ballast, muram ballast, sand ballast, coal and ash ballast, and other materials. So first is a broken stone. So these are the best material for the ballast, and almost all important tracks are provided with the stone ballast. And the good stone ballast is generally procured from the hard stones such as a granite, quartzite, sandstone, and hard trap. And this type of ballast work out to be economical in the long term. And the stone to be used ballast must be hard, tough, and non-porous. Okay, so these are the briefing about the broken stone ballast. Next, gravel ballast. So gravel ballast is a come next in rank for the suitability for use of the ballast, and used in large quantities in many countries. Gravel is obtained either from river beds or from gravel pits. The smooth pebbles are broken, otherwise they are liable to display the sleepers due to smoothness of its particle. And the process of ramming of the ballast underneath this sleeper is known as a packing, and the ballast above this layer which surround the sleeper is a loosened quilt and known as a boxing. So what is the packing and what is the boxing? So in this gravel ballast we show the what is the packing and what is the boxing. Okay, so next is a muram ballast. So muram ballast is a decomposition lateral result of the formation of the soft aggregation, which is called as a muram, and this is the red or something a yellowish color type. And muram ballast is normally used as an initial ballast in a new construction, and also as a sub ballast. Okay, so this is the muram ballast. And sand ballast form another good ballast material. The bearing capacity of the sand is very high, and the coarse sand in preferred to the fine sand. The sand ballast is used primarily for cast iron pot sleeper. It is also used with the wooden sleeper and steel throw sleeper in area where the traffic density is very low. So the sand ballast has a good drainage property. Okay, so this is the briefing about the sand ballast. So what is the other material for use in the ballast? So this is the brick bed ballast, conker ballast, and ballast furnace slag ballast, then earth ballast. These are the other material which we can use in the type we are used in the ballast construction also. So this is the briefing of the ballast.